Cursor not moving, clicks not registering, or the mouse not showing up at all can stop everything instantly. With the Logitech G305, connection issues usually come from the USB receiver, battery, or pairing, not a failed device. You might switch it on and see no response, or it works for a moment and then drops out. Sometimes the receiver isn't detected by the system, or the mouse is on but not linked to it. Low battery can also cause unstable behavior without fully turning it off. Instead of assuming it needs replacement, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore a stable connection. 1. Replace the battery with a fresh one to rule out low power. 2. Reinsert the USB receiver into a different USB port. 3. Turn the mouse off and back on to refresh the connection. 4. Keep the mouse close to the receiver to avoid signal drop. 5. Restart your computer to reload device detection. 6. Repair using Logitech software if required.